Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Rebellion XD ball mount from Curt, and I've got Jeff here with me to talk about it. So tell me a little bit about this particular ball mount you guys offer and some of the benefits that make it unique.
Well, first off, thank you for having me and thanks for this opportunity. The Rebellion XD is an adjustable cushion ball mount, and it has shock drop technology. It actually provides more control, confidence, and a more comfortable ride, all while protecting the trailer from jerking, jarring, rattling, and trailer sway. And what's unique about this is that it has a cushioned isolator made from polyurethane, and it absorbs the vibration, it actually dampens it, all while protecting the towing vehicle's suspension and brakes. In addition, it has no bearings or any type of airbags that you have to maintain over time. So basically, it's maintenance free. It's just a really good system that allows for that jerking and jarring and absorbs the compound that a trailer is taking over time.
Yeah, and some of the coating on this, it seems like it'd be really durable and add some extra protection for that on the back of your vehicle.
Yeah, actually, in fact, this is what we call a Tritium powder coat finish. It's a premium finish. It is a really dark stealth gray. It gives it a nice look, but also offers quite a bit of protection. In addition, when we're talking about protection, we have all stainless steel hardware, which really prolongs the longevity of the product. And one of the things that's quite unique is this stainless steel pin that's here on the side that is a quick release pin, as you can see, and it goes on and off quite easily. So, pretty nice.
Yeah, and so with that pin, you're able to adjust this really easily. And what's sort of the benefit of being able to move this up and down?
Well, that's just it. You want precise leveling with the different trailers out there. So this has a 6 1/4 inch drop and up to a 1/4 inch rise. So it gives it the perfect leveling for your needs.
And because it's something we're going to be using and towing, and it's really going to see a lot of elements, what sort of warranty are we looking at?
So we offer a limited lifetime warranty, 1-year finish.
As far as installation goes, there's really not much here, but this is a lot easier to take on and off.
Yes, it is. That's due to its lightweight design. It weighs about 37 pounds, so it's much lighter than the other cushion ball mounts. It's a simple pin that you're just going to pull and basically slide back out. Makes it nice and easy. Another part that makes it easy is the leveling, and we have a quick release pin here that is just one pull of the pin.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Rebellion XD ball mount from Curt. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.